Django order underscore by query set, ascending and descending. How can I order by descending my query set in Django by date? I just want to filter from descending all the reserved by check underscore in date.
Notice the before check underscore in. Before column name mean descending order, while without mean ascending. Django documentation.
A hyphen dash in front of check underscore in indicates descending order. Ascending order is implied. We don't have to add an all before filter. That would still work, but you only need to add all when you want all objects from the root query set. More on this here. This URL.
You can also use the following instruction.
For ascending order. For descending order. Or
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.